Hi guys, I've been working hard on my guitar for the Great Guitar Build of 2021 and I haven't had time to edit and upload videos while working on this guitar because the deadline is very fast approaching. But I just briefly want to show you what my goal is, what my plan is on how to get there, and I have a free download for you also. And I want to show you my kit, the pieces of the puzzle that goes into this guitar build. First of all, the goal. My building philosophy has been don't try to reinvent the wheel, just imitate what the pros are doing. And my role model for this build has been the NOVO Serus T model, specifically this model right here. But this time around I've put my own spin on the NOVO guitar and I'll show you that in a minute. For a long time I didn't know what color it should be, but I decided on this Olympic white with the sunburst underneath. And yes, I'm going to relic the guitar. I actually wanted to relic my first guitar, but when it came down to it, I was afraid to ruin it, so I didn't do it. But this time around, I'm definitely going to relic it. I just read that Dennis Fano has been developing his relicking techniques since 2006, and I'm going to do it in one day. So the odds are definitely against me, and bad relicking is horrible. But will it work? I have no idea, and actually, probably not. I can't live my life in fear. I have to try it out. So I'm going to do it with this guitar build. And now to the plan. A lot of you have been reaching out to me asking if I had a PDF, a template, something I could share, and I've shared what I had. But this time around, to make it a little easier, there's a link in the description. You can click on that, give your email, and you will be able to download this PDF. If you open that in Adobe Reader, you can print it as a poster, and then you will get 4 pieces of A4 paper and you can put that together. If you put it on a window, it's see-through and you can easily put it together with a little tape, and then you have a template. As you can see, I put my own spin on a NOVO guitar. There's no NOVO guitar looking like that at the moment. The pick guard is a little different. There's 3 pickups. It's kind of a Serus J style body, but I think it looks really amazing. So I'm very happy with this design. And now let me show you the kit. First of all, there's the body. I really love working with this 213-year-old wood. It's amazing. It's very resonant. The neck I bought on Guitar Anatomy, and it looks amazing. It's roasted maple with rosewood, and I'm definitely going to review the neck later on. The bridge is a Goto Tele style bridge. I'm using Cluson tuners as I did in my first build. The capacitor as well as the pots are Emerson, because that's what the NOVO guys are using. And finally, there are the pickups. The neck is a Fralin hum cancelling P90, and the middle is a TV Jones Supertron, and the bridge pickup is a Fralin split steel poled Tele. I think this will give a lot of possibilities for tone, and that's it. As I said, I haven't had time to edit and upload videos while working on the guitar, but I have a lot of footage and the videos are coming down the line. But in a few days, on Wednesday, I'm going to upload my competition video, where you will be able to see the whole build. If everything goes according to plan, I really hope so, because that's the deadline. If I'm going past that deadline, I'm not in the competition. So that would be a shame, I think. So if you like what you're seeing, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, the little bell icon, and also in the next video, be sure to vote for this guitar build. Thanks so much for your interest, for watching. I really appreciate it, and I see you in the next video, the competition